Vincenzo Campi was born circa 1530 or 1535, died 1591. He was a 16th-century Italian painter working in Cremona during the late Renaissance. Campi is best known as one of the first northern Italian artists to work in the Flemish style of realist genre painting, while his brothers Giulio and Antonio worked closely within the Cremonese Mannerist style. Vincenzo was celebrated for his naturalism and descriptive mode of painting as described by Filippo Baldinucci in his Notizie as a good naturalist. Keeping always to the imitation of the real. Vincenzo's development in style is thought to have been motivated by both the death of his brother Giulio in 1573, and the influence of an important commission received in that same year. Vincenzo was commissioned to fresco the spandrels of the Cremona Cathedral left unfinished by the painter Il Pordenone some 50 years previously. It is suggested that it was through the loss of the stylistic guidance of his brother, and the influence of Pordenone's raw and expressive frescoes, that Vincenzo began to merge the styles of Cremonese Mannerism and Lombard naturalism in his painting. Other artists working alongside Campi in Cremona between 1580 and 1585 include Bartolomeo Passerotti and his apprentice, Annibale Carracci, who both made significant contributions to the development of northern Italian genre painting. Art historians often describe these 1580s works as a precursor to Caravaggio's more progressive realism emerging in the following decade.